Welcome and welcome back. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could sew on minky. Now, minky is a difficult fabric to work with, and today I'm going to show you the techniques that I use in order to make minky blankets. So if that is something you're interested in, do keep on watching. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I embroider on the minky. This part of the video is not to show you how to embroider on the minky fabric, but just to show you how I sew it. So what I'm gonna do now, I am going to sew this minky up. Now this is a lovey. Okay, this is a lovey. It is about 17 by 17 inches when it's gonna be finished. But what I usually do when I'm sewing the blanket, I usually make the minky a little bit bigger than the actual fabric. Now you can go ahead and make yours into whatever size you want it, but this is what I do. Now this is a lovely, as I said, and I have a larger one that I am going to do, but I decided let me just show you how to pin it on the smaller fabric. So you're going to put right sides facing each other, so the pretty side goes to the pretty side. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna start to pin. Now you're gonna need lots and lots of pins, okay? So I'm gonna start by putting double pins at the corner. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna double pin. Remember to make your bottom fabric a little bit bigger than the actual fabric. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna double pin first. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put pins in between these. Put some more double pins here. So now I'm gonna put pins just in between this area. And you might be wondering, why do I have to pin so much? It's because it shifts a lot. So don't skip this step. See that? Alright guys, so this is what you're gonna have. You're just gonna pin all around. See, I put a lot of pins. Let me show you the bigger size. So this size is this one is the larger size. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more pins in it. So this blanket is the bigger one. See, needs more pins. guys, so we're gonna start sewing, and this is how you're gonna sew. When you were pinning it, ensure that the right sides are facing each other. I should have told you earlier, the right side should be facing each other. And what you're gonna do, you're going to begin sewing. All right, so you're gonna ensure that you leave a 3-inch opening. Okay, ensure that you leave a 3-inch opening. On the fabric. So what I'm gonna do, see, it started shifting already. You have to be careful. I'm gonna start from about in the middle where I could leave the opening. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start sewing. Gonna back stitch. I'm gonna hold it down tight. So while I'm stitching, I'm putting my hand, holding it down. I hope you could see my hand right here. I'm holding it down while I stitch. Okay, when you reach a corner, you put the foot down, turn it. Okay, put back your needle down, and you continue. You hold it tight, okay? So remember, we're coming up to the area where we left the opening. So ensure that you leave a 3-inch space. Okay, about here, gonna back stitch. I'm gonna take it out. Do the lovey the same way. All right guys, so we went ahead and we sewed it. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the pins. Okay guys, so now that we took the pins out, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go ahead and trim around the edge. Remember to leave that opening. You see, I left an opening here so that I could turn it inside out. I'm going to cut off, so at the corner I'm gonna cut it like this diagonally, not to pop the thread now. See that? So I cut it diagonally so that when I turn it over, it does not it's easy to turn. Here is fine. I'm actually gonna leave that side, but the excess, I'm getting rid of that. I'm gonna cut it diagonally also gonna do it for the bigger one. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna flip it inside out. So I'm gonna cut off this part. Gonna locate the opening, put your hand in and just grab that corner, pull it up. See that corner? Just push it out. See that corner? Use your finger and push it out. See that? If your corners didn't come out, you could always take something and push it inside, like the tip of your scissors. Push it through the hole right here and just poke it out like this. You want those corners to be sharp. See that? Push that out. There you go. See? Push it out. Okay. Now that you have that, what you're gonna do is you're going to top stitch all around, and I like top stitching from this side, and this opening I'm also gonna close it up. Okay, so I'm gonna just pin it just to ensure that I know where that opening is. If you want to put your tag, if you want to tag it, you can put it right in here. Okay, right where the opening is, put your tag. Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just pin it so that it stays flat when I am going to top stitch. You could just pull it apart. Okay, so that is for the lovely, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna top stitch it. I'm gonna do the bigger blanket now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna top stitch. So I'm gonna close up the opening now. Remember that opening? Alright guys, so it's done. This is the final result. You see they trimmed up all these little threads. Okay guys, so I went ahead, I finished cleaning it up, and this is the final result. I just went ahead and I folded it really nice. Took me a little while to fold it properly, but I folded it really nice, ensure that I take off any excess topper, any excess threads that are there, and then I tied it up, and this is now ready to go to its new home. And this is the final results. I would really appreciate it if you let me know what you think in the comment section, and until we meet, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.